Yo guys, we just got the new Trident Rod, but it's not new, but it has 150% luck, so my friend helped me to get it, and
Let's try fishing.
let's try fishing. I'm sorry to miss that. I am very sorry to miss that. See my bacon avatar, I'm just new. Can you please subscribe? Like and subscribe so I will get famous one day.